Hey kids, Mr. Glenn here, back again. What we're going to do now is go into our level 2 and within our skill map, and this is going to take our story making and our game building to a new level. So let's move over into our skill map, and we're going to go to the first level, which is here in part 2. I'm going to restart as I've done before, and I'm going to hit A to play. So we're going to make a clicker game. The way they introduced us last time to the A button was by moving the text around and giving a control across the text. Here we are going to use animation as well on the A button. So as before, we have got a start container, which is our beginner workspace, and we're going to go to scene and then grab a set background image 2 and into the start container. Okay, and then we hit next, remembering that our light bulb hints are there. We're going to go into scene very quickly and grab the only block that's there. So we know about the grey blocks. We know that when we go into them, we can go and grab our gallery and our assets. Our assets are things that we use ourselves, okay? So they are our pictures and what have you. So I'm going to go and grab this one because it's new. I didn't use this last time. I'm going to go next, and then we're going to go and grab an image. And this one, it says toggle to my assets tab and choose stage background and click done. So what they're doing now is they're showing us that we can continue to use the gallery. You can go and use the editor and draw one you want. Because in the original one, in the greeting card, you could go and draw anything you wanted in there. Now they're going to say, let's go to my assets and see what I've uploaded and got myself. So here we've got a stage, okay? So we've got this stage version here, and I wonder what we're going to go and put on the stage. There's a little video for this one. So let's go next and open the game category, and this time we're going to go and use the splash containers that we used before, but this time the splash containers, a splash screen is what you see at the beginning of a game. Okay, so when you hit A to continue, it pops up at the beginning of the game. These scenes, those long text that we had before, where we were able to have like text around the screen, that's in-game controls. This one here is a splash, okay, and a splash is what happens at the beginning of the game, and it says at the bottom of the start container. Okay, so let's just go and say hit the A button. Okay, and I'm going to leave it like that for our players to get a message. Okay, you can type anything you want in there, but when I hit A, hit the A button. Okay, so it's going to start the game. Okay, you can see what it says. It says press A to play. There we are. So from the controller, again, it's repeating what we've learned before, very step by step. Go and grab the A button, and this one now it's bringing us into the actual game mechanics. And what I mean by game mechanics is a game mechanic is where you as a player are able to get a reward for something, and that reward will then trigger something else. So let's say a reward is you collect 5 stars in a game. Once you've got that 5th star, you can then get a new life. So that is a mechanic. So you get 5 stars, you get a new life. Okay, it also means that the game becomes really playable and fun because you can see a score, and you also know that you want to get to the next level. Okay, so there's this reward. So it says change score by 1. Okay, so I've got change score by 1 when I go and hit the A button and see if we're correct. Yes, we are. Okay, now test your game. So what we're going to do now is hit the A button. Okay, and then as I click, you can see that the score is going up. So if I go full screen on this, you can actually see as I hit the A button, you can see that the score's going up here. Okay, I'm going to go add a full screen, and then great. But we need that, and we need another mechanic. We can't just hit the A button. We need another mechanic, and here we are. In the info button, and go and get a countdown timer for 10 seconds. put this into the bottom of the start container. Okay, so when I hit the start button and my background comes on, it's got 10 seconds. Okay, it's got a countdown of 10 seconds, and 10 seconds is quite a long time, quite a short time. So here, look, we've now got to go and hit the A button, and hopefully we're going to get as many points as we possibly can within 10 seconds. Okay, let's see if we've done it correct. Press A to play, countdown for 10 seconds. Okay, congrats. Let's see if we can get more than 40 clicks in our game. I'm not going to do that on this video, it's a bit pointless, but you can do it yourself, because what we're going to do next is this code now is going to transfer into the next stage. You can hit finish, okay, and we're ready to go to the next level. I'll see you in the next clip.